Bonsoir, New York! It's Alice Psycho again! And today I'm doing a Blade Runner inspired look called Drag Survival. First, foundation. I'm using 3 to 4 different shades from white to really dark contour to shape a beautiful glamazon face. I use the white to underline my eyebrows and then I create them very pointy, almost like an eagle shape. It's my signature brow. For the eyes, I'm using red shadows. Red to remind you of the inner demon that's devouring your soul every single moment, that's ready to come out! Drawing an asymmetrical lip to remind the shape of the eyes. To create the illusion of the demon coming out, I'm using tons of different eyelashes that I glued on top of each other, and I glue them on my eyelid like this. And that's the final look! She's the queen of the post-apocalyptic world. I love using makeup to create fantasies. It allows yourself to really free your imagination. And that's a wrap, everybody. I hope you liked the look. That was Alice Cycle for Boys Do It Too.